Hello everyone, myself Anushka Mukherjee, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences, and today's topic of discussion is forensic image analysis. So let's start with the contents. At first, we will learn about the outcomes of today's topic, then a brief introduction. Next is the performance and the types of digital image evidence. Next, we will learn about the forensic tools used in analyzing digital image along with the pros and cons. Then we will discuss what is counter forensics and the importance of forensic image analysis. At last, we will end our discussion with a piece of conclusion. So let's start. Learning outcome. In this discussion, we will learn what is forensic image analysis, what are the procedures of forensic image analysis, and why it is important. Introduction. What is an image? Image is a picture that has been created or copied and which is stored in electronic form. The picture can be of any object, any person, anything. Like so, a forensic image is a picture of crime scenes, evidences, victims, anything related to a crime, which is a copy of the original evidence that contains all the data that had been found in the original and is stored in an electronic form, which prevents tampering. Analyzing of such images is called forensic image analysis or digital image forensics. It is the procedure of determining the validity of an image and its information. That means it checks the images and its information whether they are true or not. This is done because pictures play an important role of evidence in any criminal cases as they capture the lively moment of that phase. So it is necessary to check whether such images are tampered by people or they are real. How it's performed. The entire procedure is done digitally, which means through computers. It is applicable for both open and closed source investigations. To perform this type of analyzing, experts require many developed and advanced software as well as specialized trainings. With the help of this software, experts can identify everything about a picture, from a camera attributes to individual pixels, which can provide a lot of information to any case. Earlier we have talked about the application of forensic image analysis in both open and closed investigations. Now let's see what are those with the help of an example. Once an investigation team in Ukraine located a photo of an Ukraine child abuse through an app called Google Earth. With further analysis, they connected it to a child modeling company where these crimes were taking place and they took strict actions against it. The interesting part is that they only looked at a granular data of an image and used software to find out the location where the photo was taken. This is an example of open source digital image investigation. Another example is against a former X Factor contestant named Danny Tatley, who was arrested in the charge of transmitting child sexual abuse material. The police got to know about him when they saw some explicit images on a victim's phone, and from there they tracked the image and got the information. This is an example of closed source digital image investigation. Types of digital image evidence. Only a single picture is enough to provide a large amount of digital evidence against any case. Therefore, these evidences are divided into two kinds, but each of it is used to supplement the other. First is image content evidence, which consists of information like any flats, schools, banks, which act as landmarks to identify a location. Next is the road signs, street names, shop names, which provide information about the visible languages. If any hills, valleys or lakes are present in that photo, which will give information about the topography of that place. And finally the billboards, dustbins, which will tell us about the street furnitures. Next kind of image is image authenticity evidence, which helps to give evidence like color information as pixel data, statistical, administrative description knowledge regarding metadata, and digital camera models, shutter speed, focal length as EXIF data. Digital image forensic tools. There are many digital image forensics tools available in the market, and each one of it has its own set of strengths, features and disadvantages. Likewise, a software named Camera Forensics provides free program called EXIF Extractor, which was developed in collaboration with the global organizations to assure users of getting correct information at the right time. Now a question comes in the mind, what is EXIF data? EXIF data is a data which tells us the history of a digital image. It contains everything from the camera model with which the picture was taken to the exact date, time and also the GPS location of the photo when it was taken. This data is recovered from an image to verify its content and uncover the evidence. Pros and cons. Everything in this world comes with advantages and disadvantages. But over here, the advantages of this procedure is much more than the disadvantages. But when someone is using it for criminal investigations, they should know both the sides of the coin. So at first, we will know what are the advantages of the procedure. The main advantage is that it provides a lot of granular information to the experts from a single photo. Therefore, police have a better probability of identifying a suspect's criminal activities digitally if they have more and more data regarding them. The second advantage is that it uses cases which are adaptable. That means this procedure can be applied in case of both open and closed source investigations. Another advantage is the approaches and the algorithms which are proven to work. That means the software are made in which a way that they perform accurate results and provide exact information on which we can easily rely on. Among such advantages, there is a disadvantage of this analysis procedure, which is, as we know, it can give a lot of information from a single picture. It takes a lot of time and effort to use this software. We know that using this software from a single and frequently insignificant clue, an open source digital image forensic investigations can be developed. But it sometimes takes months to design and collect information about a single case and to present it properly. Counterforensics. What is counterforensics? Counterforensics, which is also known as anti-forensics, is an activity in which criminals remove their tracks of conducting crimes from the digital world, which means it is the method that helps in masking internet behavior so that no one can trace them and erase personal data from all the digital files. It is obvious that criminals use this for their advantages on the internet, but still there are limited applications for this method too. These strategies can be used if a person wants to remain anonymous to everybody. But there are also some counter-forensic methods and tools through which we can examine photos for the information left by the anti-forensic software. From these tools, information can be retrieved from the photos. Importance of forensic image analysis. Till now we have learned about the forensic image analysis, but now we will learn what is the importance of it in solving criminal cases. Studies says that in the recent years, forensic analysis of digital pictures has been grown a lot more important because photos can reveal the responsible person behind it, or it can also be used as evidences in administrative or civil or even in criminal proceedings. In recent years, pictures are becoming more complex due to editing tools, which makes it harder to realize the feature of interest without using proper tools and softwares. As a result, this analysis establishes the origin of a digital photo with the camera model through which the photo was taken, its shutter speed, focal length, aperture, and many more data and information, which makes the work of court and police easy to identify and punish the correct criminal. Conclusion. We know with time, technologies are developing and new technologies are coming which has more new features over the old one. So, as a branch of forensic science, forensic image analysis is extremely valuable for collecting evidences against a crime. We also know that the photos that we get from the crime scene are also utilized to reconstruct a crime scene, and with the help of these evidences, the work gets very easy. With this piece of information, I am ending today's discussion. Thank you for listening to this piece of information. Hope you all got to learn something new about it. If you have any query, please comment down below. Also subscribe our channel for more informative videos.